negotiation is going on because of the shortage of money. This financial year, don't expect any finalization of the agreement. Next year, by that time, I think process will continue. Next financial year, I hope that the process will be able to complete.
This year, there is no money, says the minister. Let me also bring in Deputy Editor Defense Shiv Arur for more on this. Shiv, these are budgeted payments. $25 billion is supposed to be the cost of the MMRCA. It's already gone up from what was initially perceived to be a $10 billion deal. And there is no money that this government has. Capital budget is being transferred to revenue budget to pay for fuel. This is extremely poor planning and execution of plans.
It's disastrous planning, but not surprising at all, Gaurav. In fact, this was very much foreseen sometime early last year. Remember, when decisions were being contemplated at the Finance Ministry and MOD level to actually divert funds, like you rightly pointed out, from the capital stream to the revenue stream, for fuel, for maintenance, and for logistics activity, as a result of earlier, poor planning. So the combat aircraft deal, the M777 ultralight gun deal, and at least 6 to 7 other deals which have actually reached a stage of finality and are ready for signing are going to be left in abeyance until the next financial year, when there are fresh sanctionings of funds for these things. Like you're very right when you say this is poor planning, because these are budgeted allocations. Each of these acquisitions has a certain budget that is approved by the Finance Ministry. And remember, A.K. Antony had even said, the Chief of Air Staff had even said at least 2 years ago, that no matter what the price escalation is as far as the MMRCA is concerned, there will be budgeted funds that will be provided, because this has been categorized as a priority procurement for the Air Force, given the depleting squadron numbers. Now, given that this deal has been deferred to the next financial year, take a look at some of the other procurements, Gaurav, that have also been deferred.